Today's assembly is brought to you by Grade 12th Commerce. School, stand at ease. Attention. Silent prayer. Tamil Thai வாழ்த்து.
எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனே தமிழனே உன் சீரிழமை திறப்பியந்த செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே.
School song by Samvita.
God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. He shapes my deeds pure, inspires me to rise, aspire and achieve through hill and dale. Inspires me to rise, aspire and achieve through hill and dale. The flames of Sri Shakti will lead me on the path. The flames of Sri Shakti will lead me on the path of virtue, wisdom and truth. He gives me strength, peace and comfort throughout my life. He gives me strength, peace and comfort throughout my life. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead.
Pledge by Shalini.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well being and prosperity alone lies my happiness.
Happy morning, all. We 12th Commerce are taking this opportunity to educate you about one of the ancient food grain, millets. We are going to tell you much nutritious food grain that can be replaced in our daily diet. Here we go. Are rice and wheat the only two grains that we should be consuming? The answer is no. Researchers and health professionals now believe that including a variety of grains in our diet is very important for maintaining a good health and for keeping away chronic conditions like diabetes. And millets are an excellent option to incorporate variety in our diet. I am going to tell you what exactly are millets. Millets are probably the oldest cultivated grains in India. They are older than wheat and rice. India is the largest producer of millets. In fact, the Indian Institute of Millets Research conducts a full-fledged and dedicated work only on millets, which goes to show the importance that millets hold in our country. Millets don't really fall in the category of cereals and grains. They belong to the class of grasses. In fact, they are called small-seeded grass, and it is the seeds of these grasses that we consume. The speciality of millets is that they are very, very hardy and rough and tough, and they are tolerant to low rainfall, extreme heat, and other extreme conditions. Now that we know something about millets, and now here is my friend Samrita to share with you about how millets are better than the conventional grains, wheat and rice.
My friend Harniprita has explained what are millets. Now I'm here to explain how millets are better than wheat and rice. In terms of total calories, carbohydrates and fats, millets are quite similar to wheat and rice. Millets have slightly higher protein than wheat and rice. The one thing that millets stand out is the quality and quantity of micronutrients, especially vitamin B, iron, calcium, minerals and so much more. In fact, millets have been given the status of nutraceuticals, which means that they provide much more benefits than regular growth and maintenance of human body. These more health benefits include lowering the blood pressure, lowering the risk of heart disease, lowering blood sugar and diabetes, giving an immunity boost and nutrient boost to the body. In addition to this, millets are rich source of antioxidant substances that help us fight age-related symptoms. In fact, antioxidants profile of millets is comparable to that found in fruits and green tea. So yes, millets definitely provide way more nutrients and health benefits than wheat and rice. Now, Shalini is here to explain the types of millets in India.
Types of Indian millet. The first millet on the list is sorghum, also known as great millet or jawar. In Tamil, it is solam. It is mostly grown in the northern states of Uttar Pradesh and Punjab, in the central Indian states of Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. Jawar is said to have a cooling effect on our body and it is preferably eaten in the summer. Jawar is great for people with gluten intolerance. In fact, all millets are great for people who have gluten intolerance. Jawar is referred as new quinoa, just like it is sold much cheaper price than quinoa, and it's more local to us than quinoa is. Jawar can be cooked like we cook rice. The second millet on the list is pearl millet, also known as bajra, in Tamil muttithinai, which is commonly grown in the central Indian states of Maharashtra, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Among all different grain and millet, bajra has high amount of protein, somewhere between 10 to 15%. Bajra has heating effect on our body and it is preferably consumed during winter to keep our body warm. Bajra has good mineral content and it is especially very rich source of iron. So if you have iron deficiency and you want to bring up your blood iron level, you must include bajra in your food. The third must-have millet is finger millet or ragi, which is commonly produced in the southern states of India, mostly in Karnataka. Ragi is powerhouse of nutrition and it is considered a power superfood. Ragi has good amount of protein, around 12%, and it has two special amino acids, methionine and lysine, which help preventing our skin from wrinkling and sobbing. This another thing make ragi really special. Ragi is one of those few food which is a natural source of vitamin D. Ragi also have amount of calcium. This combination of vitamin D and calcium in ragi make this excellent for boosting our bone health. Ragi has something for all age groups. It assists in boosting brain development in kids. It helps in maintaining healthy looking skin and hair in youngsters, and it helps in boosting bone health in older adults. Ragi can be made into variety of food items. The fourth millet in the list is foxtail millet. In Tamil it is thinai, which is commonly grown in the southern state of India. Foxtail millet kind of look like semolina. Generally, all whole grains and millet have some amount of vitamin B1 and thiamine, but foxtail millet is especially good source of vitamin B1. What is important about vitamin B1 is that it is essential for proper functioning of our nervous system. It is one of those vitamins that help us prevent from neurological diseases like Alzheimer and Parkinson's. It is also essential for proper functioning of our heart. Foxtail millet is also good source of calcium and iron among other important vitamins and minerals. Foxtail millet also can be cooked like we cook rice. The fifth millet on the list is barnyard millet, is also known as Kudiraivalli in Tamil. Barnyard millet is generally produced in the northern states of Uttarakhand and it is
kind of looks similar to foxtail millet. Barnyard millet is very popular in the northern states of India during fast, where it is used as a substitute for rice and wheat. Barnyard millet is the lowest calorie dense among cereals, which means for the same serving of roti, rice, and barnyard millet, the barnyard millet will provide the least amount of calorie and yet make you fuller and energetic. Barnyard millet is therefore one of those millet can be used as a weight loss food. Barnyard millet is also a great source of iron. It is usually used as a substitute for rice. Other than these five millets, there are so many millets are available in India which are not known to us. Thank you.
திருக்குறள் by ஹர்னி பிரீட்டா. திருக்குறள் குறள் எண் 942. குறள் மருந்தென வேண்டாவாம் யாக்கைக்கு அருந்தியது அற்றது போற்றி உண்ணின். குறளின் பொருள் உண்ட உணவு செரிப்பதற்கான கால இடைவெளி தந்து உணவு அருந்துகிறவர்களின் உடலுக்கு வேறு மருந்தே தேவையில்லை. இங்கிலீஷ் மீனிங் No medicine is necessary for him who eats after assuring himself that what he has already eaten has been digested. நன்றி. தமிழ் poem by நிவேதிதா.
போயம். சாமை சோர் ஆமை ஆயுள் குதிரைவாலி தந்திடுமே குறைவில்லா வாழ்வு கோலூன்றி நடப்பவரும் கம்பங்கூழால் காலூன்றி நடப்பார் தினை உண்டால் தேக்கு போல் உடல் வலிவாகும் வரும் நோய்கள் வரகால் விரட்டுவோம் ராகியில் பலகாரம் கால்சியத்தின் அதிகாரம். நன்றி.
Business News by Sibi Vishnu.
Happy morning all. Today's business news. Indian IT industry revenue will see double-digit growth in financial year 2022, said by Asim Premji. Sensex falls 486 points, Nifty ends below 15,750 marks on weekly global causes. European Union fines BMW, Volkswagen, Audi and Porsche $1 billion over emission pollution. Indian power demand surged to all-time high, crores 200 gigawatt marks. Thank you.
आज की शुभेच्छा by हरिप्रिया.
ब्रह्मे मुहूर्ते उतिशेत् स्वस्तो रक्षात् मायुष्यः. A healthy individual should wake up in Brahmi Muhurta 96 minutes before sunrise to protect and improve one's health. Brahma means knowledge. The time to seek knowledge is called as Brahmi Muhurta.
International news by Haripriya.
Happy morning. Today's international news. Twitter must follow the law of the land. IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. World food prices fall in June for the first time in a year. FAO. Jeff Bezos hits the wealth of record of $211 billion in Pentagon move. Gates Foundation says co-chair Melinda could leave after 2 years. Thank you.
National news by Nivedita.
National news. New ministers take charge after cabinet reshuffle. Yesterday's expansion saw a total of 43 new members taking oath of the office, the first such exercise in the NDA government after its return to the power in 2019. Defense Secretary Ajay Kumar and other officials welcomed back to the ministry. Karen takes over as a new law minister. Fuel prices rises to fresh high as Hardeep Singh Puri takes over as a new oil minister.
Business news by Sibi Vishnu.
Happy morning all. Today's business news. Indian IT industry revenue will see double-digit growth in financial year 2022, said by Asim Premji. Sensex falls 486 points, Nifty ends below 15,750 marks on weekly global causes. European Union fines BMW, Volkswagen, Audi and Porsche $1 billion over emission pollution. Indian power demand surged to all-time high, crores 200 gigawatt marks. Thank you.
Sports news by Roshan Karthik. Sports news. Euro 2020. England beat Denmark 2-1 in extra time to set up final against Italy at Wembley. ISL. ATK Mohan Bagan signed midfielder Hugo Boumos from Mumbai City FC on 5-year deal. Wimbledon 2021. Roger Federer knocked out in quarter-final after straight set defeat to Hubert Hurkacz. Tokyo Olympics. Spectators banned from attending the games. Confirm organizers. Thank you.
Amazing facts by Dharmesh.
Amazing facts about millets. Millet is a generic name given to more than 6,000 species of wild annual grasses found throughout the world. Whole grain buckwheat, also known as kuttu, can be very helpful in weight loss. It is diabetic friendly, reduces blood pressure, and promotes good cardiovascular health. It is also known to provide protection against breast cancer, childhood asthma, and gallstones. Finger millet, also known as ragi, is a healthy substitute for rice and wheat, loaded with protein and amino acids. This gluten free millet is good for brain development in growing children. Finger millet has the highest productivity of 1640 kg per hectare among the millets in India. Pearl millet, also known as muttu thinai, is rich in iron, protein, fiber, and minerals such as calcium and magnesium, which help keep the heart healthy. It is also rich in potassium, which dilates blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more easily. This helps reduce overall blood pressure. Barnyard millet, also known as Kudirai Vali, has high fiber content, which can effectively help in losing weight. It is a rich source of calcium and phosphorus, which helps in bone building. Thank you.
Happy morning, students. Hope you all doing fine. It's quiz time. There is a old saying in India, one who knows what to eat will have no sickness. Now, let me check how much you are aware of your diet. Here we go. Question number 1. Which of the following is considered an easily digestible source of protein? Your options are A. Egg albumin, B. Soya bean, C. Fish flesh, D. Red meat. The right answer is option B. Soya bean. Question number 2. Which of the following food item is rich in iron? Your options are A. Rice, B. Apple, C. Pulses, D. Orange. The right answer is option C. Pulses. Question number 3. Pulses are good source of. Your options are A. Carbohydrates, B. Proteins, C. Fats, D. Vitamins. The right answer is option B. Proteins. Question number 4. Which of the following nutrient is needed for a healthy immune system? Your options are A. Calcium, B. Iodine, C. Vitamin K, D. Vitamin C. The right answer is vitamin C. Question number 5. A person suffering from high blood pressure should avoid foods that are rich in. Your options are A. Sodium, B. Iodine, C. Calcium, D. Iron. The right answer is option A. Question number 6. Fruits are good source of which nutrients? Your options are A. Vitamins, carbohydrates and minerals. B. Fats, carbohydrates and fiber. C. Minerals, vitamins and fiber. D. Proteins, fiber and vitamins. The right answer is option C. Minerals, vitamins and fiber. Question number 7. The mineral which controls the functioning of the thyroid is, your options are A. Phosphorus, B. Calcium, C. Magnesium, D. Iodine. The right answer is option D. Iodine. Question number 8. The percentage of water in the human body is, your options are A. 65%, B. 70%, C. 40%, D. 80%. The right answer is option B. 70%. Question number 9. Foods like pizza, burger and noodles are rich in, your options are A. Carbohydrates, B. Proteins, C. Vitamins, D. Minerals. The right answer is option A. Carbohydrates. Question number 10. The disease caused by the deficiency of iron is, your options are A. Anemia, B. Dysentery, C. Chickenpox, D. Malaria. The right answer is option A. Anemia.
Address by Honorable Vice Chairman. Brain Yoga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. School, stand at ease. Attention. National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Food stand at ease. School disperse.